Chandler traffic, Cessna 7803 uniform, taking off runway 30, straight out departure Chandler.
Green, airspeed is coming alive. We have a little bit more weight. 65. 65 is there, rotate. Gear up.
Chandler traffic, Cessna 7803 uniform, departure leg, out of 400, straight out departure Chandler.
Engine's in the green, oil pressure's good, we have suction, we are charging. We're gonna go this way. Here we are here, you can see it playing on the... So I'm gonna get us outside this purple circle, which is the class Charlie airspace from Fresno Air Terminal. Then once we're out, I can climb. I can only go up to 2,500 right now. So there's Kearney Park, water treatment plant, Fresno, that poopy plant. A little bit bumpy, not too bad.
Not bad at all.
Over there's Kermit. Over here is Biola. If you see the red, it looks like we're at Kermit already, yeah. So there's Biola. This is the practice area. So this is like kind of the practice area over here. So I'll keep my scan going. I did see those two Tomahawks earlier, so I just wanted to make sure they're not around here doing whatever they're doing. All right, we're out of the airspace, so we can climb now. Or we can stay low, whatever.
Either way.
We'll climb, see, maybe go up to 3,000, see if we can get out of this chop. Even though this is nothing, not really bumpy. So we're doing about 400 feet per minute here. The right rudder in. There we go, smoothing out. There we go, about 3,000, I knew about 3,000 feet. So here we go, Mark, it's about 2,800. That's cool. It's funny how much it gets cold. We're about to hit Herndon. Right there.
This is Herndon?
Huh?
Herndon?
We got a little bit more. I don't know if you can see the airstrip. Over there.
Oh yeah, I see it.
See it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's... There's the Island Water Park in 99. There's your dam. Do you see it, Marcus? There's it. The dam in front of us? That's cool. That's Bryant, Milton Lake, right here. I like that. Maybe I'll do that for Father's Day for Dad. Do that circle. Is that cool?
That'll be a good circle.
It's not too long. It's not, you know.
Dad would love it.
Chandler traffic, Cessna 7803 uniform, 6 miles southeast, 1,600, inbound to land, 30, straight in, traffic permitting Chandler.